So let's use the factor theorem to determine whether the following linear polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to see, is this a factor of this here? All right, so in order to do that, what we're going to do is we are going to use synthetic division. The factor theorem says that if we use synthetic division with this polynomial in this given factor, and if we get a 0 in the remainder column, then that is indeed a factor. But if we get anything other than 0, then no, it is not a factor. Now, when we're doing synthetic division, we're keeping in mind here with x minus 6. Remember that this is a factor. And if it is a factor, that means that if we were to set this equal to 0 and solve, x is actually going to equal 6. That is the number that we are testing for synthetic division. Okay, so we are going to put 6 in the box to the left over here. We are going to drop down our coefficients of our polynomial function. 4 for x cubed, negative 23 for x squared, 40 for x to the first, and negative 21 for our constant. Let's do synthetic division. Drop down your first number, which is a 4. Multiply. 4 times 6 is a 24. Add this column to get a positive 1. Multiply again. 1 times 6 is 6. When we add here, we get 46. Then we need to multiply. When we multiply, 46 times 6 is 276. And when we add that column here, we get a 255. Keep in mind that the rightmost column is our remainder column here. What we're looking for is a 0 in this remainder column. If we get a 0, that means the number we tested is a solution to the equation, so therefore x minus 6 would be a factor. Now we got 255. 255 is definitely not 0, and since we did not get a 0, the answer to this question, no, x minus 6 is not a factor.